Thank you for considering Enviroblind for your project. Since 1977, Enviroblind has upgraded properties with the increased security and many other benefits of rolling shutters and retractable screens. In this video, we'll cover some items to consider to help make this process of integrating security shutters into your project as easy as possible for you and your customers. Here's what this video will cover. Things to consider: measuring, cut sheet, job summary, fabrication, and installation. 1. Things to consider. There are some questions we'll need you to answer so we can configure and fabricate our products to properly meet your customer's needs. What is the customer's main concern or problem they're trying to solve? Security, privacy, light blocking, storm protection, etc. Will the shutter boxes be built into the structure? If so, you will need to ensure there is access to the shutter box. Does the property experience high winds? It may require a different shutter material. Do the shutters need emergency egress? We can install a hand crank system or battery backup if so desired. What slat size will the customer need? Will they be exposed to ocean air? If so, we will apply a coating to prevent corrosion. How will the shutters be operated? We offer electric or manual options. Will they be integrated into a home automation system? If yes, we will use motors and interfaces that will integrate into your customer's system. 2. Measuring. You have to let us know whether the shutter will be limited by exterior dimensions or if you need to completely cover your opening. Please note that you have to measure the entire opening size, i.e. the entire area that the shutter will cover, not just the window size. 3. Fill out our cut sheet. You'll have to fill out our cut sheet, which has more detailed questions, such as how many units do you need? What are the dimensions of each shutter? Color choices. Which rooms will the shutters go in? Are they on windows or doors? We pre-drill the rails. How would you like them drilled? Standard mount, where the holes are on the rear, or edge mounted, where the holes are on the side? Do you need a bottom angle stopper? This is not recommended for doors, but typically used for windows. Where do you want the switch and remote control? 4. Job summary. To begin fabrication, we will need your signed estimate, deposit, and signed cut sheet. 5. Fabrication. We will begin the custom fabrication process. We do this all in-house at our facility in Upland. 6. Installation. The final step is for us to install the shutters. On the pre-arranged day, we will arrive at your customer's property and begin the installation process. Most of our jobs are done within one day. We will work with your team to ensure your customers love their rolling shutter installation. Thank you for considering Enviroblind.